Excuse me, I need to cough. Does anyone know why we apologize when we sneeze or cough or when we need to take a sip of water? We often say, excuse me or pardon me, I'm sorry, or please forgive me. I've never quite understood why that is. As a society, it's entirely possible we've gone overboard with all of these expressions of regret. Seriously, why are we apologizing for things that are completely out of our control? You can't stop the sneeze that just decided to come up. Maybe you have allergies. And so what if you need to take a sip of water while giving a lecture? It's a natural inclination to water the throat when it becomes dry, right? Shouldn't apologies be reserved for something majorly important, such as, I'm so sorry we dropped that bomb in the playground full of children? Or, pardon me for accidentally shooting you? Or worse yet, we apologize for executing the wrong person. This was before DNA. Don't these types of things warrant an apology? Frankly, an apology is only the beginning for such egregious behavior. Now I know what you may be thinking. I have no control over bombs being dropped, or I didn't flip the switch at someone's execution. My response to that would be true. However, what you do have control over is using your voice to show outrage and contempt for all of this brutality and wickedness. You could say, enough is enough, and be heard. Now, isn't that easy? And just think about the sound of thousands of us saying this simultaneously. That is a beautiful thing. Pause for a moment to ask yourself why we apologize for the small things, yet ignore the obvious elephant in the room.